What's up, everyone? So, are you like me? Do you wear turquoise tank tops and have sideburns? No, that's not right. Are you like me? Do you have a lot of gadgets? Interesting word, right? Gadgets? I think my grandpa used to talk like that. Do you have a lot of electronic devices? Yeah, you do? I'm gonna assume you're nodding. Well, let's talk about that in this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Hey everybody, what's up? I'm your host Kevin and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Please do me a favor, if you like this video, and I very much hope you do, because I'm going to be talking about something really cool in just a moment, give us a like. If you like these videos, plural, why don't you subscribe? And if you do that, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. I need to charge my laptop, my headphones, my smartphone, my tablet, my camera, and there's more. I just can't even think of it right now because there's just so much stuff, and that's just stuff I use on a daily basis. What do? Well, you find an inexpensive, powerful, and very well made USB-C port charger, and you get that. That is what you do. The Baseus 30W 2-port super charger. Yeah, that's right. It's fast, it's compact, it works well. Unlike a lot of chargers that you get with your phone, even if they bother giving you one nowadays that are 5 watts, this is up to 30 watts. It charges devices far more quickly. So what can you use it with? You can use it with practically everything. Your iPads, your MacBooks, your iPhones, Samsung phones, and Google Pixel phones, and just, yeah, anything that's out there that actually can fit a USB-C or a USB-A port. It's going to work. You can use both at the same time. That also works. We're going to show you in a moment. So what do we got? We have an 18-watt USB-C port and a 12-watt USB-A port. Fast charge 2 devices simultaneously. For instance, if you have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, well, you can actually charge it up to 60% in just half an hour. That is much faster than an Apple charger would be able to do for the same phone. The Baseus 30W 2-port charger also has SuperSi technology. What is that? That is heat dispension technology. It makes everything much safer. The days of overheated electronics are gone. You also got real-time battery tracking so you don't overcharge. And that is something a lot of chargers out there won't do, and that can run you into a lot of trouble. It'll actually reduce the battery life on your devices or damage them in other ways. And they're so sure that everything's going to work just as it should. You get a 12-month warranty. The card's right in the box. And it's so small, you can literally take it anywhere. Watch. Here they are. See what I mean? You can fold the wall plug in and out. Comes in 2 colors, black or white. And there are the USB-C and USB-A ports. Look, I'll make them match. USB-C on top, USB-A on the bottom. Fits in the palm of your hand. What does all of it cost, you ask? $22.09. Click on the link in the description below, you'll see for yourself. Pick the color that you like and get to charging your life. Well, I think that just about wraps it up for today. I'd like to thank Baseus for sending the charger so I could test it and check it out. It charged my iPad and my iPhone real fast, which I appreciate. Once again, the link in the description below, $22.09. Get one for yourself, or get one for a friend who's always asking you, hey, do you have a charger I can borrow? Yeah, you know what friend I'm talking about. Alright, that just about wraps it up from Los Angeles, California, where I have been your host, Kevin. Once again, just to remind you, like the video if you like these videos, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop these videos. In the meantime, stay safe and be kind, and I will see you next time. Bye.